Wow, this is Lanzarote.
It's really cool because we're in Lanzarote, and this used to be a jungle, but now when the volcanoes erupted, now it's left with palm trees and dried lava. Over there, and if you see, there's a boat, and right now where we are is where people have locks and they write that they were here, and then we are going to our HL Paradise Island Hotel, so let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are here in Lanzarote.
Wow, I'm so excited to be here. Wow. Liza, what's going on? Did you see any lizards or scary snakes around here?
No.
No? So it's pretty safe?
I saw cats. Wild cats.
Wild cats. They're very wild. Instead of meow, they say wow, 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 wow.
No.
No.
They say meow.
Meow.
Yeah, like you. Well, he's a little bit crazy, so let's just start going, I guess.
It's because of the sunshine. Too much sunshine.
I have this cool floaty, and it's a panda. Do you want to try it out when we go into the pool?
Of course. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go. I look like food.
Oi, 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 oi. Look at that.
He doesn't. Guys, subscribe for him to get me off. Don't get me! Subscribe to get me quicker. Yeah. Peace out. So this is a mountain. If you can see there, it's actually a volcano, and it's not a mountain. It erupted a long time ago. In Spanish, it's called Montaña Roja. This is an island, and it's called Fuerteventura.
Wow, Fuerteventura. Mamma mia. Playa Dorada.
No.
Whoa.
Hi.
Hello. How is water? Did you see any sharks around here?
No.
Any, I don't know, any other fish? Maybe crab?
No, not yet. But I'm trying to see because this water is see-through. Look.
Wow.
And it's salty, so it's easy to swim.
Wow.
Look.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Now I'm in the sand, and it's really hard to get out. I can barely even move. Then we have to pat it down, so then it's harder. I can barely even move my legs.
Don't go there. It's very, very dangerous. Look at that. Lisa, no. Lisa, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Very dangerous. Ah!
Oh, cat!
Ay, 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 ay. Give me a hand. Oh!
I'm here!
Wow, did you see that? Did you see that? Wow.
Have you ever played Floor Lava?
Yes, I love this game. Floor is lava.
Well, there's lava everywhere.
No way.
I'm sitting on lava. This is dried lava. This whole island is technically lava. It used to be a jungle, but now it's lava.
Wow.
Now we're walking back to our little room. Come on, let's go faster.
No way. Wow, our house is over there.
What's that?
Wow.
Look at my shadow.
Las grietas. A crack in the mountain.
It's not a mountain, silly. It is really high, but we're not even in the crack.
Wow. Wow. Scary. Monsters sleep down there. What is this place? What is this place?
This is the crack in the mountain I was talking about.
What? A crack in a real mountain?
Yeah.
Hold on to the rock with both hands. With your hands. Yeah, hold on to the sturdy edge. Like a sturdy edge. Try this.
Wow. It's a dangerous situation.
It's a slippery situation.
Well. Go down. I am not afraid because I'm a cat.
Yep.
Do you think there's any more?
Wow, it's a real volcano.
We're going inside that big hole.
No way.
Yeah.
Whoa, is there lava still inside?
Dried lava.
Woohoo! Let's go and have a look, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, run. Liza, wait for me. Well, my legs are short. Ay. Oi. So, is it hard to walk up or not hard? What do you think?
A little bit hard, but I think it's going to be hard for you because you have tiny legs.
That's true, I'm just a little cat. Also, I can talk. Well, not all the cats can talk. Some can, but not all of them. This is Volcano! Wow! Liza, it's a dangerous situation.
More like a bumpy situation.
It is. Meow.
Look at that view.
Wonderful. Wow, it's extremely windy here on the top of the volcano.
Hello.
Hotel abandonado. Abandoned hotel. Wow. Los Charcones. Whoa, look at this.
Hello.
The sea is really, look, full of water. Salty water and crazy fish.
I stepped on a sea hedgehog.
Oh my god. Is it painful? Like what? How do you feel? Is it bleeding?
It started to.
Oh, wow. Don't cry. Everything gonna be just alright.
The water looks like a love heart. That tiny one. And that's where the sea hedgehog was.
Wow. Uh-oh.
Here we go.
5 seconds underwater. Go! Oh, I forgot to count. Okay, now do triple front flip. Yeah. Wow, that was so cool. Liza, let's go. I show you a waterfall. Let's go. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Ow. Let's go.
Let's go that way.
Wow, look at this. Yes. Now we are behind the waterfall. Yeah. I like it here. This is my secret place.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
subscribe and hit the like button to see some more cool videos. Peace out.